For homework, I want you to modify the token sale contract to accept an additional transition called close that can be called by the seller and only by the seller to actually close the contract, close the UTXO, collect all the remaining tokens and loveless in the contract and the NFT. And this time I don't provide an extra module for that, so you can either just modify this token sale module or copy it and create a new module with this separate logic. Of course, you will have to think about the datum type. So right now it was integer, but now we have this new state, this close state. So one option would be to use maybe integer instead, where just some integer, just price means the contract is still active and nothing means it has been closed. And if you feel ambitious, you can also modify the trace and the model in order to accommodate for this additional operation. So for the model, you could act new action close, and for the trace, for the emulator trace as well as a last step, provide the close action.